Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing. So this is 600 square meters wide frontage along National Highway, guys. This is along National Highway. So kini guys, dire dapit along National Highway din. Mutabok na tagamay sa karsada, wala na. Pwede na ka maligo. You can already go to the beach. So mao na siya guys. So this is 600 square meters. Yeah. Located here in Guindolman, Bohol. So this is located in Guindolman, Bohol. So nindot kayo guys. Along highway ra gyud siya. Along National Highway. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land titles. Process me og titulo. Bohol and Cebu area. And you know guys, we have another page. Natay page guys. Real Estate Buyers Guide and Awareness. So please subscribe lang or follow. Real Estate Buyers Guide and Awareness. So nindot kayo ni guys, okay? Malantaw ni mong anda. Ya, pwede ra gid ka maligo dire. Fishing kuha na siya Mindanao Sea. Okay. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. So, on niya atong property guys.